Hey boys and girls, happy Wednesday. This is Mrs. Wilcox and I'm here to let you know what we're going to be learning today. I'm going to switch my screen so we can go on over to our Wednesday page. Here we are, my friends, and here's our communication section. Of course, one change is that we are only going to be doing Zoom meetings at 11 a.m. And so I had two meetings. I had one at 2 p.m. and one at 11 a.m. But I found that most of my friends were getting on at 11 a.m. And so I think if we just have that one time, then you'll all be able to see each other. And I'm excited for that. Next week, I will add back in a 2 p.m. session on one of our days per week, or maybe two. Miss Heather, she's going to be coming on and reading with whoever wants to join her. And so that'll be kind of exciting, something to look forward to for next week. But today, if you want to Zoom, come on at 11 a.m. I'm excited to see you. All right, I'm making our video here, but today I have an awesome book about Rosie Revere, engineer, and so we had read a similar book to this by the same author with Miss Mackenzie this year, and I'm excited. I would like for you to discuss how you can persevere through problems. So perseverance means that you're sticking with tasks and you're able to still do them even though they're very challenging, okay? So how do you persevere through a challenge? I want you to think about that and talk with someone. And then I want to know if you learned anything from Rosie. So think about that, and I'll probably be asking you on Zoom, or maybe you can post in our chat board. That would be great. For writing, there's going to be an assignment here that goes with our math, so you can check out that. And here is the Seldovia Sam link if you want to finish that too. All right, moving down, here's a video I have for you for math. Today we're going to work on pictograms. So we started Monday with tally charts. That's a great way for us to keep information organized, some data that we collect. Then we moved to bar graphs yesterday, and today we're going to be talking about picture graphs. So picture graphs are very similar to bar graphs, but instead of making a bar, we add pictures or symbols in there to represent how many people voted for a certain item. So the activity is, in 6 or more sentences, write the difference between a pictograph and a bar graph and tell which one you like better and why. Okay, so maybe you use half of your sentences, 2 to 3 sentences on the differences between a pictograph and a bar graph. You're comparing and contrasting those things. You can think back to our assignment on Monday where we thought about how we were the same and different than Alexander in the book. And so we're doing that now with picture graphs and bar graphs. So how are they different and how are they the same? And then which one do you like better and why? I can't wait to hear about your sentences, and maybe you'll even be able to show me in a picture or in Zoom. That would be great. We're moving on to our third healthy habit that we can do all throughout our lives to keep us really healthy and actively able to learn. And so this one is going to talk about sleep. So it's really important for you to get lots and lots of sleep. Your brain and your body both depend on that. And so I want you to think about, how do you make sure that you get 10 to 12 hours of sleep each night? That's kind of a lot, and it might be kind of tricky. So how do you keep track of how much sleep you get? All right, today I have another bunny project for you, and this is the paper ball bunny. So these are super cute, and they're kind of bouncy. They kind of wiggle around like our bobblehead bunnies do a little bit, but these are a little bit taller and bigger. So maybe one would look cool in the middle of your dining table, or just out as a decoration there. All right, my friends, there was one new thing I wanted to show you. I'm going to go here back to our home page, and we have a new chat board. So I still have the old discussion board linked, so you can go on and see that as well for the time being. But if I scroll all the way down, you can see that I've changed this, and it says, check out our new chat board. Click chat on the left under home. So I can't see home right here because I'm scrolled down. So I need to scroll back up until I can see that home button. And you'll see that there's now a chat button. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to click on chat. And my friends, this is a super cool tool that you guys are really going to like. I think this was kind of my idea for the discussion board, but you'll be able to see anyone who's on our homepage currently at this time. So right now on Tuesday night, there is nobody on. It's just me, and I'm actually in student view, so it says test student. So I'm the only one in here, but I went on and I posted a message for you. It says, hey students, post comments and questions for me and classmates here. Look up in the top left corner, that's right here, okay, to see who's is online at the same time for an immediate response. That means that if you type a message to someone on here, they should hopefully get an alert. So to make sure that we get those alerts, we need to come right over here and we need to click that X so it turns green. That way we will get alerts when we post messages, and maybe if someone writes to us, if we're on looking at the home page or any of those daily pages as well. If we're on Canvas, then it will show up here and we can type a message to any one of those people and then it will be green. Now keep in mind that our whole class can see all of the messages that you post. So of course make sure that they're school appropriate. Try to do your very best editing and using those adjectives and adverbs, and also work on your spelling, my friends, okay? I know that we're not doing spelling words weekly, but this is a really great way for us to change and think about that. All right, well, I hope you're staying healthy. I hope you're having a great time with your family, and I can't wait to see you and interact with you today. Have a great Wednesday, my friends. Bye.